In the name of all, good afternoon. Today is Monday time in Sydney, Australia right now. As you can see on the corner here now is 5 minutes past 2 p.m. Monday 13th of the January 2025. And this is the forecast for the Bitcoin and a couple of other currency pair. Hopefully I try to make this video short if I can. So I go to the chart. Before I do that, in the name of who, pause the video and read this, and then I go to the chart. First, for the Bitcoin, I have two levels, one level for buy, one level for sell. When we're talking about buying, when we have green line, horizontal line, that is for the buying. When we have red line, is for sell, but there are different situations. At the moment, as you can see, the price is here moving, and now time is 2 o'clock, 6 minutes past 2. And same date, and this is live chart. This is not offline. I'm trying to explain and analyzing the chart for you guys. The price is here. If the price come and pass this level of 93,664 American dollars, come into our buying zone, then if we get a signal of the buy, when we're talking about a signal, I'm talking about this small green signal like this one, as you can see here. If we receive the signal in this area of the buying zone, we can buy it to this level. Okay, first 70% of the time when market hit this TP1, like trembling bounce and goes opposite direction, go down, but eventually would go up again. And then if I'm past this second line, which is $94,301 American dollars, and come into this area would be classified as a sell, and then when we get a red signal we can sell it. I explained to you guys this system that we have before. You can watch our video from past and then you see what I'm talking about. So this is one scenario, and if price never come back to this area and keep going up and pass these two red line and pass 95,899 American dollars, then there is an opportunity for us to sell it to this level. If we get a signal of the sell, like this red signal in this area, if we receive a signal here, we can sell it to this area. And this is going to be our TP1, and as I have said before, 70% of the time when market hit this level would bounce, go up, and then eventually would come down. And if it comes down and then pass the second line of our level, which is 95,290 in American dollars, of course, and then come into this area, then this area would be classified as buying zone. Then we can buy it to this level only. Okay, so this is going to be forecast for the Bitcoin, and I gave you two scenarios. One coming down, what's going to happen if the price goes to this area, what's going to happen. So in the name of who, I'm going to close this. Before I do that, actually I did have some other things as well, but quickly I show you the levels. So this is for the pound Canada. We are waiting for the signal to buy it to this level, TP1, TP2 and TP3, hopefully TP4. If the price come into this area, we can sell it again to this level, and if price after visiting this area coming down to this level, we can buy it to this level. So this is for the pound Canada. And then we have New Zealand CHF, same thing. We need to see this price coming to this area of the buying zone, then we can buy it to this level. And as I have mentioned, this is going to be TP1. 70% of the time would bounce, go down again, eventually go up. When we pass the second line, come into the selling zone, if we get a signal like this, we can sell it. This is for New Zealand CHF. Everything I show you is on the 15 minutes time frame. Pound Japan, same thing. I need to see the signal to buy to the TP1, TP2 and TP3. And if it comes to this area of the selling zone, if we miss all this trade for some reason, then we can sell it to this level. So this is going to be for pound Japan in 50 minutes time frame. Pound Australia, same thing. We need to see the price coming to our buying zone, then we can buy it to this level, and eventually it goes to the selling zone, we can sell it to this level. So that is for the pound Australia. Now these are the level. Pound USD, I don't have any level for you. Euro Australia, this one actually I did it, I think that was Friday or Saturday night I did this one, but unfortunately I forgot to upload it in our in this English side we have, but I did it in our Persian side, and this is the level. This is the video I did it on late night Friday night, I think that was midnight. So that was forecast for Euro Australia. What happened, when I make the video, the price was here, and I mentioned if the price come into this area of the selling zone, if we get a signal. As you can see, as soon as I finished uploading, we got a signal, and market went down, and then again, as I have predicted, went up, because this is our buying zone, and hit for the second time. This one happened again, and this is for the third time is happening. And now, as you can see, market is going to go up and hit. So once this happened, this is not going to be valid anymore. For Euro USD, we don't have any signal. So in the name of who, please pause the video before I go and read this risk disclaimer. We are not responsible for your action. This is only education and information side. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. If all this prediction happen, then I make the second video. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.